Data entry in the patient demographic and in the visit information section can be made easier by using the so-called pop-up menu. As example, let's say I want to indicate the name of the referring physician. I can click into the box and type the name using the computer keyboard. The other method is I can double click into this box. And this gives me the so-called pop-up menu. This has got the names of the referring physician. Click on the desired name and it will be added to the visit information. Use of pop-up menus makes the data entry faster, and it also reduces the number of errors associated with typing. Let us now see how we can configure the contents of the pop-up menu. Once again, I will use the referring physician as an example. Double click in the box. We can see the current list at the top. For configuration, click on Comment Setup. The list of referring physicians is displayed with the second name highlighted. I'm going to scroll down so that I can see the entire list. One can configure up to 20 different entries per pop-up list. That means I can configure up to 20 different referring physician names. If I want to add a new name, double click on a blank line and type the name. To remove a name from the list, double click on it and push the delete key. Now we are left with a blank entry in the list. We can click on it and drag it at the bottom. So this way you can get rid of gaps in between. We can also change the order of the names in this list. Let's say I want to move Dr. Barry's name up, so I will click on it and drag it up. Having configured the list, click on the OK button. In a similar way, we can configure the pop-up menus for other fields in the patient demographic and visit information.